My name is Dana Harris, and I'm making math cool again. Watch me. So, this is the second example when we're talking about equivalent fractions with a denominator of 10 and a denominator of 100. Of course, you have to get ready for the word problems. We definitely want our students ready to for the application of the mathematics. And so, this is a simple problem. Remember, it's only 4th grade math, but just to show you kind of what they can expect on homework or on standardized tests, things like that for this type of problem. So, let's go. It says Shawn pours 4/10 liters of water into a pitcher. His brother pours 50/100 liters into the same pitcher. What is the total amount of water they poured into the pitcher? So now, technically, it should say of water. So because I have to be right, I got to make that correction right here on the video. I love those moments. So basically what we have to do is, as you can see, if we're trying to find the total amount of water that they poured into the pitcher, we need to basically add the 4/10 liters with 50/100 liters. So let's go ahead and write our equation. I always want to write your equation for it first. So we have 4/10, and we want to add that to 50/100. Now we know in order to add two fractions, they have to have the same denominator. So we need to actually convert this denominator of 10 to a denominator of 100. Now I'm not going to draw the visual on this one, but we know that if we take, in order to go from 10 to 100, so the question I always ask is what did we do to go from 10 to 100? Okay, and if we take 10 and multiply it by 10, we get 100. So if I do 10 times 10, then I have to do 4 times 10. So that gives me 40 over 100 plus 50 over 100. And if I add 40 plus 50, I'll get 90 over 100. So our solution is they have 90 over 100 liters of water, okay? 90 over 100 liters of water. But remember, making that equivalence is the key factor to this. That's the key point that we want to get across. Going from a denominator of 10 to a denominator of 100. And it's very simple. Some people can get it without the visual. Some people need the visual to go with it. So that's part 2 of converting from a denominator of 10 to a denominator of 100 and making equivalent fractions. Fractions that have the same value. Young Guru's Math Tutor, and I've got the solution to your math problems.